Let's check if this is a valid CSV file. By doing that, we open it in Excel, and it looks like everything did open in Excel properly. So that's pretty cool. ETL, prod, client. Yeah, I forgot the client. Let's do it again. And I think that'll be basically this thing done. And I'll see if I can bounce the file off of the data guy and see if it's to his specifications. So Maelstrom game 2018 522 20.csv. Alright, let's see. And let me take a look at the Maelstrom operations and see exactly what we've got. ETL telemetry game data. How long has that been running? Started 13 minutes ago. Now inserting, yeah, I probably broke it. Take a look at RDS. Yeah, it's probably busted, isn't it? Alright, so what do we got this configured for ETLing? We have it every hour. Alright, well that's probably fine. Alright, so we've got that up there. And the other thing I need to do is I need to add a telemetry ETL job for ourselves. So let's see, how do I do that? I am going to need to add a new table to the telemetry database. So let's go get started with that. So services, definitions. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open all this stuff. So I'm gonna need an object, and our telemetry objects. No, it's not gonna be there. It's gonna be in report objects. So let's take a look at what we've got. So it looks like we have our mission completion, our mission stat, our mission duration. So let's take a look at these. There'll be event, type, name, version, environment, user ID, machine ID, event, source, external type, external ID, level. Do we have level? Guess it doesn't matter. What we're going to want here is mission name, mission stat, and that's what, an integer, so that's going to be a long. Mission duration, which is going to be a number, so it's going to be a float. Alright. So mission duration, which is going to be a float. Sorry, I'm just talking to the analytics guy, just making sure he's got what he needs. Stage name. Alright, so that's mission result properties. Completion is a string, so this will be mission completion. Stat duration. Is there anything else that we have for this? Jeez, come on, Visual Studio. Doesn't look like it. So mission completion is a string, so these will be good to go. Should be a pretty simple mission thing then. Alright, so alright, so we got that, and then we need another table type. So that'll be mission events. What telemetry database do I have configured? Telemetry databases, local telemetry database. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so we're going to want the actual events for these. So our two events are we need the stage properties as well, don't we? So our events are mission completed, mission started. Let's see, we got stage completed and stage started. And the only thing that we have is the stage name. So let's go add that to our report object. Stage name is not spelled NEM. Stage name. Stage Good to know. Alright, so this is going to be user mission event. So we got all that. So, what have we got? Let's see. For our string properties, we'll get those. We do have some number properties, and we do have some integer properties. So let's see. We've got our mission completion. We've got our mission name. I believe we also have our stage name. We just need a refresh to grab that. Do we have mission duration? We don't have stage duration. That's fine. It's not in the client, so. Alright, so this is going to be replace batch into mission events. Yeah, it's just a telemetry SQL client. Alright, so let's go create our table, shall we? Alright, so we've created our telemetry mission events table. Let's go ahead and let's also add this thing. Session report tool. Alright, so this will be mission report tool. Alright, so it should snag from everything and shove it into my local database. Found 40 files. Read a total of a bunch of events. There we go, we're starting to get some events. So it looks like somebody's been playing Solo 31, Solo 32, mission stat. Alright, so we got mission completed, we also mission started. Stage 1. Fail, fail, fail. Shit. I think this is all your data, Kerrigan. Pretty sure. Looks like Solo 3-1 had a bunch of fails all over the place. Solo 2-6 having some trouble with that one too. Alright, so in the past 24 hours, 300 missions have been attempted, and only 95 of them have been completed. Probably better to look at stage starts and completions. Looks like 130 stages were played. So should I go the extra step and actually get an email sent on this thing? Probably should just go ahead and do that, right? Let's see if we can actually index these things. Expect to begin a grade, but was string at line 8 at index? Oh yeah, that's an array, not a other thing. What is this getting all angry about? Alright, what is it pissed about? Expect to begin array of a string on line 8, column 18. What? It's an array list of string indices, so it's index, and then that should be valid. Why is it not valid? Did I not save the file? Didn't find created in object all sessions. It's because it's got a lowercase c. Didn't find created. I am having trouble saving files apparently. Didn't find created in user report. Alright, that's better. Let's see if these indices work properly. Now this guy needs access to all the AWS stuff, of course. Alright, so the question is... Alright, so he needs access, he does not have it. Let's add him as a user. Users, add user. What in the hell? Alright, let me just... Really wish paste as plain text was the default. Alright, so that he's now got access. And let me take a look at the generated SQL, because I just changed the table generation for these guys to support indices. So let's see if that actually worked or not. So that's going to be generation, out, SQL, telemetry, create tables. Alright, so let's drop the mission events table. Alright, well, let's take a look at this guy. Let's run it again. So, I'm just populating all this data. It looks like the programmatic stuff I have actually creates a secondary index name. But that's not necessary, it looks like. So, let me just take a look at this database autogen. Looks like it doesn't do anything. So, I think I just need to change my template. Alright, let's take a look at our table. Let's look at our indices. So we have created as an index. Order is ascending or whatever. Let me just check. Does it matter? Does order of indexing matter? Ordering in general case does matter. The question is what ordering are you referring to, and does it matter in your case? Descending versus matters only in very special cases where you actually want the results sorted in a special order. Say you want this. Database has to do an additional sort. Same applies when you access the first. Yeah, it doesn't fucking matter. Alright. That is fine. Alright. So we've got our information there. What I'm going to have to do is I want an email to be sent so we actually figure out how many missions there are. Operations, data, reporting, user report sample. Yeah, okay, so this will be mission mission report template. Environment, application, let's see, total missions started, total missions completed. Let's see. So let's see, this was in the user report. So what is our local data route? Alright, so I'm going to need to make a report here. So let's get it working. So what information am I gonna need here? I'm gonna need type. So I'm going to need an environment. Alright, so I need more. Alright, so we'll have total wins, total losses. Let's do total no rank, total bronze, total silver, total gold, and so on. And alright, so we have our report mission data. So let's go ahead and make our mission report data. span start and span end. That's going to be start, and that'll be the end. Alright, so we need to do all the things. So let's switch on the event after we do the things. So why did I change the strip special on these things? Like it's removing everything that's not a letter or number. I did it because of something, right? I can't quite remember why, but it definitely had something to do with the like data comparison stuff. Alright, so we'll put this stage in here so we can look it up later. Alright, so stage data, everything like that. Let's see, what is our mission? Our mission completion is our actual rank. So alright, so we'll snag that. So we've got our stage name and we've added everything. Nothing's going to be null. Very good. Alright, so we can just get rid of that up there. Okay, so mission completions are on mission completed. Looks like stage completed is not returning a rank for the stage. Okay, so that's fine. Stage completed is, I think stage completed is if it actually got completed. It doesn't actually report otherwise, is what it looks like. So let's see, mission started, solo, let me just order by created. Alright, so mission started, mission completed. Alright, so, okay, mission started, stage started, mission completed. So if we fail, we still have stage completed. So basically the stage doesn't have anything other than that we yeah, we'll just have total starts and total completions. Alright, so we need to switch off of the mission completion.